Namaste India. I'm CA Pranav, and today we are going to make sense of some important changes related to business income under the Income Tax Bill 2025. We are going to talk about Clause 28 of the Income Tax Bill, which pertains to rent, repairs, insurance on business property or equipment, which is replacing the old sections 30 and 31 of the Income Tax Act. Earlier, there were two different sections, section 30 and 31, under the old Income Tax Act for office rent and repairs, machinery and furniture. But now, the new Income Tax Bill merges these two old sections 30 and 31 into one clause 28. So effectively, say bye-bye to section 30 and 31 and say hello to clause 28. You need to be very careful with the numbering out. So whether you're paying rent for your shop, repairing a machine, or insuring your furniture, if it's used fully and only for business, you can claim it as a deduction. Even if the item is used partially for business, a fair share of the cost will be allowed as deduction. The assessing officer will decide how much is fair. This is the Income Tax Bill 2025, and this is me, CA Pranav, turning complex tax language into simple common sense. Jai Hind.